This is the glass elevator at the Mall of Robinson, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler. It's a Schindler. Whoa! Don't close on me. Go for two. I'm going for 2 rides on this one. So watch out the window. That motor never disappoints. Plop. 1. Door close button doesn't work. Door close button doesn't work. But, come on. There we go. GNC still has their store closing sale. Go for another ride. I'm going for another ride, Dad. Let's go for another ride. Let's watch out the window. Doors. We got people. People are coming on. Another one. Going down? Come on in. Again, door close button does not work. Whoa! Going down? Okay. Scared to have you. Love this elevator. Empty fixtures, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Capacity is 5,000 pounds. Here's your indicator. Very nice. Let's listen to the machine room. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Now we're going to listen to the elevator machine room. Let's head over there. Let's listen. That never disappoints.